Hey drone enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting lineup of drones catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, a racer, a professional, or looking for budget-friendly options, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. One, DJI Mini 4 Pro, best for beginners. First up, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, perfect for beginners diving into the world of drones. It's lightweight at just 8.70 zecors and packs a punch with a 48-megapixel camera capturing stunning 4K HDR video at 60 FPS. With a top speed of 35.7 mph and a flight time of 34 minutes, this drone offers incredible value at an attractive price point. Now let's explore why it's a fantastic choice for those starting their drone journey. 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, ideal for hobbyists. Now, for our hobbyist friends, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro takes center stage. With its tri-camera system, including a 5.1K camera custom-built by Hasselblad, this drone offers expansive visual creativity. It can fly up to 46.9 mph and boasts a flight time of up to 43 minutes. Stay tuned to discover why the Mavic 3 Pro is a hobbyist's dream come true. 3. DJI Avatar, best for racers. Calling all racing enthusiasts. The DJI Avatar is a cinehoop-style drone designed for maximum agility and stability. With a 48-megapixel camera, 4K video recording at 60 fps, and the ability to fly up to 60 mph, this drone offers a thrilling racing experience. Let's explore its unique features and why it's my top pick for drone racing. 4. DJI Inspire 3. Ultimate for professionals. For our professional filmmakers out there, the DJI Inspire 3 takes filmmaking to new heights. Featuring an 8K camera with a full-frame 35mm CMOS sensor, customizable obstacle detection, and a unique dual mode for collaborative shooting, this drone is a filmmaker's dream. Stick around to learn why the Inspire 3 is a game-changer for aerial cinematography. 5. Budget-friendly options. Now, for those on a budget, we've got two fantastic alternatives. The Sony AirPeak S1, combining agility with the versatility of Sony Alpha cameras, and the DJI FPV, offering high-speed flight and impressive camera capabilities. Stay tuned as we explore these budget-friendly alternatives and find out which one might be the perfect fit for you. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible drones catering to different needs and budgets. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone content. Happy flying!